Shouldn't you be looking for work?
I'm going to a meeting.
Oh, good.
I'm going to do it this time.
I'm sure you are.
It's not because of the money.
No? What then?
You've never believed in me, have you?
Oh, here we go.
It's true.
So it's my fault? I thought it was Mom's. Oh, well, she's gone now, so I guess that leaves me.
You know, my therapist says that you have a narcissistic wound.
Oh my God.
It's the root of your perfectionism.
Is he your therapist or mine?
You're impeding my recovery.
No, Mark, you're impeding your recovery. You're the only person who has ever impeded your recovery.
Everything was always about you.
Do we have to go through this again?
Julie this and Julie that.
Come on.
She took everything out on me.
She was sick.
And you never did anything.
We were kids.
She never hit you. Why didn't she hit you?
I don't know. I don't know.
I'm going.
To the meeting?
No, to a bar.
Mark!
Yeah, to the meeting.
Good. Mark. I'll call you.
Yeah.